Hello and welcome to today's English grammar lesson. Today, we will be discussing articles, which are small words that are used before nouns to indicate whether we are referring to a specific or general thing. There are three articles in English: a, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles, while the is called the definite article. Let's start with the indefinite articles. A is used before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a dog or a house. And is used before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple or an umbrella. Now, let's move on to the definite article, the. The is used before a singular or plural noun when we are talking about a specific thing or things. For example, the dog refers to a specific dog, while dogs refers to dogs in general. They can also be used before a noun that has already been mentioned or is understood from the context. For example, I saw a dog yesterday. The dog was very friendly. There are some cases where we do not use an article at all. For example, we do not use an article before uncountable nouns, such as water or advice. We also do not use an article before most proper nouns, such as New York or John. It's important to note that articles are a part of English grammar that can be tricky, and there are many exceptions and special cases. However, with practice and exposure to the language, you will become more comfortable using articles correctly. That's it for today's grammar lesson on articles. Remember to practice using articles in your English conversations and writing, and keep studying English grammar to improve your skills. Thanks for watching.